If your goal is to do this, then keep watching.
Hey guys, my name is Zach Ferguson, and this channel is all about helping you guys reach your tricking goals. I may not be the best tricker, but hopefully my experience can help you guys become the best. I did not have enough time to edit my cork tutorial, so that's going to be coming next week. So for this week, I wanted to just do something really quick, and I wanted to show you guys how you can train different tricks on the trampoline, starting with Raiz, because that's something that a lot of people don't understand, and I hear a lot of questions, and it's one of those things that people are like, oh, well, there's just certain things you can't train on trampoline, but I think that's wrong. If you can figure out how to do it in a safe manner, then you can train pretty much anything on trampoline. So this is a very wet trampoline because it's raining right now. So this is probably the worst conditions you can have. So if I can do it on this, then you guys can do it at home on your trampoline, preferably not when it's wet, so it's safer for you guys. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So before we actually do the exact tutorial, I just wanted to say that this has helped me personally with aerial front swing Raiz because I have struggled with that a ton. But being able to just drill front swing Raiz on the trampoline has helped me make kind of the connection and be able to do the commitment to the Raiz after the aerial front swing, because I've been able to aerial semi for literal years, but my Raiz just was non-existent, and now I'm finally being able to invert a little bit. Even though I've been able to do the front swing for a long time and even go flowy into it, my brain just would not let me commit to the actual Raiz. All right, so the way I'm going to teach you this is from a Webster, but an opposite side Webster. So there's a couple different ways we can approach this, but I wanted to just show you and let you know that I Webster with my right leg swinging, and I twist to my left. That is what I assume most of you guys are going to do. If you are left side twisters, if you trick to your right side, then you're just going to be swinging your left leg for a normal Webster and your right leg for your Raiz. So just keep that in mind. So to get the awareness for this, I'd recommend having a front half. The way you get that is you just do your front flips and then get it to where you can do a very open front flip. So you can kind of and open up pretty much the whole time. And then keep your eyes on the ground and kind of think of it like a round off. If I'm front flipping forward like this, I'm just literally going to try to stay open like that first front flip and turn my hips so that I end facing that way. If you can do that, that's going to help you a ton on this drill. Once you can do that, we're going to try to do a Webster on our bad side. Again, it's gonna be super awkward, so just practice over time. What I want you to do is just first start by keeping your left leg up, and then you're gonna bounce just a little bit, not anything crazy, and then we're going to flip over to our back just so that we can get used to this motion. You wanna stretch your right hamstring, but you don't wanna hurt yourself. You don't wanna lock out your knee. So make sure there's a micro bend, but not like too bent like this and not too straight, somewhere in the middle. Just make sure you get a little bit of a stretch in your hamstrings and that you kick your left leg really hard. Right now, just fall onto your back. Work through that over time and get higher and higher with it and really just try to land on that left leg. So you can bounce and kind of hop with this leg up and you'll get used to that feeling. And then try to just tap your left leg first. Keep running through it until you can land it. That's still really hard for me. But once you can get that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start turning into that a little bit. So there's two ways you can do that. You can do this kind of pop three thing that I like to do, or you can kind of just like jump into it. If you start like a half or even quarter turn, so I want my momentum to go that way, and I just jump and I bring my left leg up, you can use that to swing. So again, you can do the same progression. You don't have to go right to the Webster. You can kind of just go up, swing, tap, until you can do that and swing into the Webster. Still pretty hard. Or you can do it with kind of this pop 3 thing. It's almost like a backside 7 or pop 3 front swing. So my momentum is going this way. I'm just going to be facing my momentum, and then I 360, and I land with that leg up like that. Then I just do the Webster. My goal is to see where I'm going before I land so that I know it's safe to do the front swing. Like that. Either way is fine with me. You can choose however you want to do it. But once you have that, it's as simple as doing that method and trying to do the half, the front half. So right now, you're gonna swing, and then as soon as you're going to do your Webster, you just get all tight like a front half. On this one, you kick to your apex, like really feel the momentum, and as soon as you feel like you're flipping, send it. Just turn, don't go slow, or else you're gonna just land on your stomach or something. You can pick whichever setup is comfortable for you. Like that. I'll do it this way also. I'll do it with a quarter turn. Remember that your power is coming from your head coming down like this while your leg goes back, okay? So make sure that it's kind of all one piece. There's an axe kick. You want it to be like a pendulum swinging back behind you. You swing it down and your head goes at the same time. I will do this sometimes where I go head first, then leg, but try to make it simultaneous. If your head and your leg move at the same time, then you'll have more power and you'll have more height. Once you can do that front half and you're getting comfortable with it, try to land only on your left leg. Obviously collapse if it's scary or something. So, for example, if I think I can do it, but I'm a little spooked, I can just do the motion and kind of just collapse like that until I can do it onto one leg. And even there, you see, I kind of messed up a little bit, but I touched my left leg first. Just work through it over and over again until you're comfortable with it. And if you can do that, you're pretty much doing a rise right now. You're swinging your leg, kicking over the top, looking at the trampoline the whole time, landing on your left leg, and then all that's left is to accentuate the eagle and try to make it bigger and bigger. Until hopefully maybe you can swing it. And that's how you can train your front swing rise on the trampoline. So that was quicker than my normal stuff, but I hope that video helped you get or improve your front swing rise, specifically getting it on the trampoline if you didn't have it before, or maybe showing you a different way that you can train it. If the video was helpful to you, please leave a like. Please subscribe to my channel so you can help me on my quest to 1,000 subs. I just reached 500, so thank you guys so much for that. Leave a comment down below and let me know if there's anything else you want to see from me. And until next time, please stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys later.